Hey everybody, I'm Steph from Destination Exploration here at the University of Lethbridge. I'm so excited that you'll be joining us for our Arconic STEM Club this year. We're going to do a quick unboxing so you're ready for the first day of club. So you've joined us for our technology and computer science topic, which sounds scary, but don't worry, you'll be an expert in no time. It comes with a microbit, so let's check out what's inside our box. The microbit comes in this silver packaging. You can open it up and take a look. So the microbit is a tiny microprocessor which allows us to interact with the world around us using simple code using an online editor. The microbit isn't working right now. It needs a source of power. The way that it connects to your computer is just through a USB cable. When you plug it into your computer, it'll show up in the same place it would if you were plugging in a USB or an external hard drive. The other way for it to supply power is through the battery pack. And the battery pack comes with batteries as well. You can put those two together and try it out. You'll notice that it plugs into the top here and the USB will plug into the middle. It comes with a couple of instruction sheets as well as these alligator clips. The alligator clips connect along the bottom of the microbit and allow us to interact with the world around us, whether that's through interacting with soil or the electricity in our body. We're going to do some stuff with this as well, so don't worry about them for now. Just make sure that you've got them close by when we're doing our club meetings. Now, before club starts, I want to make sure that you're comfortable loading a program onto your microbit. So I've got a little task for you to do before we start. You're going to go to microbit.org. The link is in the description below. When you're there, right at the top, you're going to press Let Code. It'll bring you to a new page where you're going to click the MakeCode Editor. Once it's loaded here, let's try this new Start Here Flashing Heart tutorial. It's going to walk you through a simple program and how to load it to your microbit so that you are super comfortable on the first day of club. So we're going to start our block coding tutorial. We're going to travel through all of these steps. We're going to press download at the bottom and it's going to download a hex file. You'll see that instructions pop up in case you need any help there, but all we're going to do is locate our microbit where it's on our computer. We're going to drag that hex file onto it and you'll see that your microbit comes to life. You can now unplug it from your computer and plug in your battery pack and your microbit is ready to go wherever you are. And just like that, you're ready for club. So make sure you've got your microbit, your alligator clips, and all your cords so that you're ready for the first day of club.